Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am here today to share with you how I planned in my A5 Hobonichi cousin. This is going to be a super quick one. This one really came together very fast, and so we're going to just do it the way we do every week. I'm going to use these Alohaster highlighters to draw in the boxes. I'm doing it a little different this week because I was really desperate to see that color combo together. So it's a real pale brown and a pale pink together, and it mimics the milkshake stickers that I'm using this week from Alicia Michelle. I will link her shop up below and the highlighters as well. I've mentioned this several weeks in the past. I like these markers. They have a really cool color palette. The nib takes some getting used to because it's longer than normal, so it makes the whole thing sort of squishy and whatnot, but it's cool and I love the color, so I'm going to keep on using it anyway. I have actually shifted down the second row of boxes. They were up a row and they were a grid, a square height less. Sorry, I just can't even think of the words for that. But I decided that I needed those a little bit larger and a little bit lower, so I moved them down the tiniest bit. I'm just drawing the hash marks. I'm using the ruler. I decided that this all comes together a lot faster and a lot easier with the ruler. I'm not really concerned so much about how it looks. Like, I think that in the end it all really looks about the same anyway. But for how I actually feel like I put it together, I prefer using the ruler. So there you go, I'm using the ruler. I feel like it helps me just get it all done right away and very quickly, and I like that a lot. So I'm really enjoying this color palette, which is kind of funny. It's taken me back to, like, the early 2000s when pink and brown and light blue and brown were all the rage. But I'm really enjoying it, the pastel version. I think it's really pretty together, and I'm actually really excited to see it with the milkshake stickers because they're so adorable. So there are those stickers. And then I'm using this insanely old kit from the Plangineer. I don't think she even has a shop, and I don't think she has for years, but that doesn't matter. I'm still going to use them anyway. So I layered that milkshake with the words, the phrase stickers, and I thought they were very cute together. And then over in the lower left, I just used the full box and the shake. Then over here, I wanted to use all three together. So it was really just sort of building to this larger one, and I love how it turned out. It's so super cute. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write in the activities. So at this point, it's kind of, there's just not, I have the same events every week. So my son's work schedule, so I can keep track of that, and I know how and where he's coming and going. And then this week is also my husband's birthday, so I'm adding that in there. I am adding my younger son's baseball commitments and things like that. Except for that's pretty much it. So thanks so much for stopping by and watching this super quick look at how I planned this week. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.